As 2018 comes to an end, we would like to thank our partners and stakeholders that share our mission of working for a safer, healthier, more secure world. You have helped us develop and publish consensus standards that guide the safety, performance, and sustainability of new and evolving technologies. Your work delivers solutions for industries from household appliances and smoke alarms to batteries and cybersecurity, to building materials and the environment. These industries rely on your research and expertise to advance safety science, leading to safer living and working environments. You are essential to the development of effective standards through your contributions as a member on ULC technical committees and UL Standards technical panels. We value your participation as it enables diverse interest groups to review proposals, provide input, and meet to discuss standard-related issues. To the national and regional standards development organizations that partner with UL Standards, thank you for helping us extend our global public safety mission by strengthening our ability to promote the development and maintenance of effective safety standards. We hope you will join us in celebrating another year of great success in standards development that allows consumers, businesses, and regulators to feel confident about the products and services they purchase. We wish you a safe and happy end to 2018 and look forward to continuing our mission together in 2019.